Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explain how the Customer Categories program works. Customer Categories is the program where you can differentiate your certain customer as your desire to have more segmentation. By utilizing this program, you will have sales analysis to find out which customer categories is more profitable or less profitable, for example. This video's purpose is to let you know how to add new customer category. I will add region as new customer category. These are the steps that I want to add region for an example. Click in customer category name and type region. And save it. Double click the region. Look at the right side customer category name already filled as region. You may enter Jakarta and Bandung. And click the set check. Then save it. So that's the final of customer categories program. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.